The truck crossed two lanes without signaling, forcing this driver out of the lane.
Keep going. Moron!
The black car manages to avoid a dangerous encounter with the aggressive white truck driver.
Yeah, after Thornton, it picks up to 75.
Holy oh my
Holy shit!
Crazy driver in Mercedes almost clips the front end of the Tesla with an aggressive lane change and then proceeds to drive recklessly.
Yes.
Oh my god!
What is this person's deal?
I thought we was gonna see a wreck just then. And the lady pulled out in front of her fire truck, and I couldn't say nothing. I was just looking. Gosh, they, She was so close to getting killed just then.
Well, at least now people talk to me, so I shouldn't complain, but it just, it just made me put in a whole day of talking.
Lady in a red car caused an accident and then ran away. Driver of black SUV chased her, but gave up when he saw cops.
Oh, I just angry, but I just want to be.
And you won't fix it. You know, you just keep complaining about it.
Yeah, just like my ankle.
This driver found a nice place to park his car.
You okay?
Distracted driver re-rents a police car. This gotta be fastest police response ever.
Emergency video.
Right, you gotta spend more time. But like you said,
Oh my god, lady. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's not your
In a quarter mile, take the exit toward US 15 South, US 340.
So more people, many more people now think Brexit was a
The driver quickly realized that he made a mistake, and he corrected himself. Unsecured load can be dangerous, especially on highways, so make sure to strap it really good. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.